How to reset Citizens Bank online banking password. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can reset Citizens Bank online banking password. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Citizens Bank application in your mobile device. So once you land on this login page here, in order to recover your password, just below the login button, there is a link that says forget password. So you have to click on it. Now you'll be taken into next page where you have to enter your mobile number for the verification. So here type in your mobile number and then tap on proceed. After that, you will receive a verification code in your mobile number via SMS. Check for the SMS and type in the correct code right there. So once you enter your code and once it is verified, now you'll be prompted to next page where you can create a new password. There you have to enter a new password and confirm it. Once you enter a new password and confirm it, simply tap on proceed or confirm. Then your password will be changed and now you can log in into Citizens Bank online banking account with your newly created password. So in that way you can reset your Citizens Bank online banking account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.